Well, my name is Robert, coming all the way from the south of the Netherlands, and actually the car is my hobby. And well, it needed some maintenance, very specific maintenance, because there was always this thing with the water cooling system. And then I thought, when the engine is open, why not do everything? And then I think then I had the possibility to ship the parts to the Netherlands, but why not then do it here at the specialist? And if we're busy anyway, then we could also add the exhaust, the 200 cell cats, and then also the air intake. And then in the end, it's like max that could be gained from this type of engine. And my idea is to keep the car for a long time and also keep it well preserved. So for me, it's like an investment in a hobby, and I have a lot of fun. I do a lot of tours with friends, and it's not that I'm such a all the time fast driver, but once in a while I really like that the car can be also a bit of a hooligan.